Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to get original Snapchat notification sound. First of all, open your Snapchat app info. Now click on Manage Notifications. Then turn on the Allow Notifications. Scroll down to Messaging. Turn on Best Friend Messages notifications. Also, turn on the Snaps and Chats notification. Open the Best Friend Messages. Scroll down to click on Ringtone. Set the default option. And that's it. We're done. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.